Jose Andres, founder of World Central Kitchen, commended Prince Harry and Meghan for their recent visit to victims of the California wildfires, despite facing criticism. Justin Bateman had previously criticized them, but Andreas defended their actions, emphasizing the significance of their presence in providing support. The couple, alongside Andreas, distributed food and supplies to evacuees outside the Pasadena Convention Center, where they also met with Pasadena Mayor Victor Gordo and expressed gratitude to first responders. Additionally, they extended their aid by opening their home to friends displaced by the wildfires.
Yeah, the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so